Hey, today I want to talk to you about these K&N Performance Gold Wrench-On oil filters. I've been changing my oil in my car for years and years and years, and I've used tons of these. They're a nice heavy-duty filter. This one's cool. It's the wrench-on, wrench-off. It's got a 1-inch wrench on the top of it. Super easy to put a wrench on it, or even just a crescent wrench. Another cool thing is it's got a hole drilled in it for a wire. If you wanted to tighten this up and put a safety wire on it that it wouldn't vibrate off while you're out running the Baja 1000 or whatever you do in your Toyota Camry. Anyway, great filter protection. Used them for years. Made in the USA. Heavy duty convenience of a wrench on and off. And then check the listing below. They make these for hundreds and hundreds of different cars. So I'm sure you'll find a model that'll fit your car. And then once again, I recommend them. I've used them forever. If I'm changing my own oil, I really stand by the K&N oil filters and air filters. I've used their self-clean or reusable, recleanable air filters a lot.